Jean Risham Mitchell. I'm with Martha Turner Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm running for the HAR Board of Directors position for the Northwest Division. I want to give back to my community. I have had a wonderful career. I've been in the business 12 years. I've loved doing my job. I've loved meeting my clients and meeting the other realtors that I work with. And I think it's time for me to get back to that community. These are unprecedented times, and it's going to take all of us working through them to make this work for us as well as our clients. I am not afraid of hard work. I've always said if there's a challenge, I'm not afraid to meet it. Sometimes I've had a lot of challenges I wish I didn't have to work on, but I'm not afraid of them. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to represent you. I'm a firm believer in education. I have several designations, including my CRS, GRI, CRB, MCNE, as well as some others. I believe the more we know, the better we can serve our clients. So I've been on the Professional Development Committee. I've been on the Risk Management Committee, as well as involved in training new agents and helping not so new agents direct their career. I would like to work for you. I would like to represent you. I would like to serve you in this endeavor. For the Northwest Division, my name is Jean Risham Mitchell, and I hope you will consider voting for me. Thank you very much.